a long time, a lot of people believed that if you have a problem, you get a similar part of some other animal, eat it and you will be cured of it. Like somebody has broken leg or something like that, they used to bring paya and have that soup. Similarly, somebody have eyesight problem, they used to go get the eyes of the fish, head of the fish, and then they used to relish the eyes of the fish. And similarly, somebody who's got a little bit low in this thing, they used to suggest go and eat brain. But that was not the thing. When I was working in Maurya Sheraton, in the butchery we used to get a lot of these lamb and goats. And the morning, the senior old chefs, they used to come running and they used to cut away the private parts of the animal and they used to make their own curry. And I often used to think they must be having some problem. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Wow Chef at vareva.com. And today I am going to make this brain curry. A brain, very delicate meat, but there are a lot of benefits also. People tell that because this is very rich in omega-3, and for the people who have spine and some back problems also, they recommend them to eat brain. Once in a while, every part you need to enjoy. So I'm going to show you how to make this brain delicate and tasty. To make this brain curry, so for this I have taken some groundnut oil. So for this I have cut around 4 onions, finely chopped. In this oil, add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds crackle, some salt, add finely chopped onion. Here, you do not want to dominate this brain taste with anything else other than the onion and pepper. That's the reason why they don't even add curry leaves or even mint or anything in this. So that would be dominating. Add onions. Because of the salt, they will lose out the moisture, and slowly you want them to be slightly golden in color. That's when the sweetness of that onions will give this brain curry a super taste. Look at this onion, slightly, it is getting colored. This is when we're going to add some finely chopped green chili, add some turmeric, the chili powder in this, and also, do not want this chili powder anything to burn, just little bit of water. We're going to add chopped coriander. Mix all of this. You have to take this delicate brain, cut it with the knife like this. The brain, add to this. After you add the brain, don't try to mix it. Just put the onion, fried onion on top very delicately. You know how I always tell you that prawns need to be handled with lot of care. The brain needs to be handled even with the uttermost care. We're going to let this brain, do not keep mixing, let it cook like this on a very slow flame. Literally, the flame has to be the slowest possible. I'm just going to check the salt. Definitely need some more. Put the lid on and let it simmer on a very slowest flame possible for like 7 minutes. In the last, the crushed peppercorn. This will give nice dark color and the nice flavor for this, and another 2-3 minutes of slow cooking, and then the dish will be ready. The dish is all ready, and look at this, everything perfect. The brain has sizzled in this masalas and perfectly cooked. Little bit of extra salt is what I love in this. Mix it with the rice and you can thoroughly enjoy it. The curry, the onion, the masala is become nice and dark, but the brain is nicely shining and perfect. The onion curry, with little bit of this oil is what will make this super tasty. You never mix the brain along with the rice. Always only the onion masala, you mix it with the rice, and when you eat, you take the piece of the brain and then along with the rice, you eat. You never crush the brain because the brain has to melt in your mouth. So, super perfect. The onions and the masala is just way out of the world. With every bite, sometimes I feel that one should be blessed to enjoy all this food. And if you want your family to be blessed, just make sure you cook great food, feed them. And all the time and always, do not forget to say vareva when you have great food.